Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So let's start the video with some new update. So here we have a hiring coming out from the CGI and this is for the position of ASE and this is basically based on cloud only. Okay, so skill and all they had mentioned as a strategic thinking, analytical thinking, database, Unix, Windows. So these many things they had mentioned. You can check this out and try to apply for this position as well. Requisition ID is also mentioned here. If you want, you can go for referral as well. And location they had mentioned as a Bangalore. So check this out and try to apply into this. Next we have a hiring coming out. This is from the Eaton and this is for associate engineer ML ops. Okay, so whatever they had mentioned here, like key point, we will be looking into this. So this is totally based for the totally based on the hybrid role. Okay, so qualification they had mentioned as they required a minimum of bachelor level degree in computer science or equivalent software discipline, engineering discipline. Okay, so master degree in computer science, software engineering or related field student is also eligible for this. Key point here they had mentioned as a TensorFlow, PyTorch, and like CI/CD and all, Docker, AWS, Azure, GCP, CI/CD. So these things they had mentioned as a key point. You can check this out and try to apply for this position as well if this is a great fit for you. Okay, so next we have a hiring coming out from the city and this is for the testing analyst, and here location they had mentioned as Chennai. As you can see, requisition ID is also mentioned here. If you want, you can go for referral as well. Okay, so here 0 to 2 year of relevant testing experience is preferred. Basic knowledge of relationship database, knowledge of application supporting the testing process, demonstrated analytical skill, ability to work independently on assigned task, experience in software application testing. So these things they have mentioned bachelor degree, bachelor university degree or equivalent experience is required for this. So check this out and if this is a great fit for you, try to apply into this position. Okay, so next we have a hiring. This is from the Atomic Loop and this is for Flutter developer. 3.5 to 4.5 lakh per annum salary package they had mentioned, and location they had mentioned as a Pune. So BTech, BE, MTech, ME, BCA, MCA, BSc, MSc and all these branches are eligible for this. 21 to 25 students are eligible for this. Okay, so skill set they had mentioned as a DSA, Dart, Flutter software. Okay, so RESTful API. Selection process is also mentioned here, like assessment test, HR interview, technical interview round 1, 2 and all. So check this out and try to apply for this as well if this is a great fit for you. Okay, so next we have a hiring. This is from the Insta hire and this is from the superset hiring and coming for the position of software developer 1. Okay, so 1 to 3 year of experience is required into this, and location they have mentioned as a Bangalore. So software engineering, full stack developer like Java, JavaScript, PHP, Spring. So these many key points they had mentioned, like primary experience with Java 8 API or and RESTful ActiveMQ, so Redis and all, Angular, React, SCCS. Okay, so MySQL and all they had mentioned. So check this out and try to apply for this. Telephonic interview, technical interview and in-person interview. 3 rounds of interview is there in this, so you can definitely try to check this out and try to apply for this position. Okay, so next we have a hiring coming out from the entity data and this is for the position of trainee engineer. Okay, so location is also mentioned here, like Chennai, and 2 locations are available. 1 location is only available, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Okay, so check this out and try to apply for this position as well if this is a great fit for you. Okay, so bachelor degree or equivalent relevant experience, entry level experience in desirable but not essential. So these many things you can read out all and you can try to check this. So next we have a hiring coming out from the Capgemini and this is for the network engineer. Location they had mentioned as a Gurgaon. Off campus hiring is there and this is from the superset. Salary package they had mentioned as a 4 lakh per annum, and job profile CTC they had mentioned. Other information they had mentioned as analyst 4.2 lakh, 4 LPA plus 25,000 one time incentive. So this thing you can also have a look on this, and whatever they had mentioned you can try to read out all the detail and you can be able to apply for this position also. Okay, so here they had mentioned like BTech, CSIT circuit branches only for, and MCA batch is also eligible for this. 24 pass outs only students are eligible for this. Freshers are invited. Okay, so candidates should be ready to work in night shift, work from Gurgaon, and candidates should be ready to work in full-time office working model for 5 days a week. So this thing you can check this out and try to apply for this. Okay, so next we have a hiring coming out from the Wipro and this is for the position of developer L1, and requisition ID is also mentioned here. You can go and try to apply for this position also. So this is basically from the programming language they are mentioned as SQL. So next we have a hiring coming out from the Dozy and this is for the product analyst role, and location here they have mentioned as a Bangalore. As you can see here, like this is the attached form here only, so you can directly be able to fill out your all the detail and you can be able to apply for this position. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. Keep watching and keep applying. Thank you.